The Financial Report button. This is where you can generate a financial report of the association in a specific period of choice. The generated report will show the following: total bills payment not yet collected, total bills payment collected, total expenses, total officers monthly incentive used, total officers monthly incentive unused, total advance payment used, total advance payment unused, total discount given, total other income. Each total is supported with a detailed individual transaction record. And finally, it will show the computed total outstanding balance of the association. This value is about how much money the association has in specific date range. The formula of how it is computed is also shown for verification purposes here in this window. By ticking a radio button, you can choose a specific date range to filter the period of the report that you want to be generated. You can either select a financial report specifically for today's transactions, or you may choose yesterday, this week, last week, this month, last month, this year. This year is selected by default. Last year. Or you may choose from the very beginning. From the very beginning is reckoned from the earliest recorded date of transaction in the database. And finally, you can tick select manually to choose any date range that you want. And below are two buttons: the Generate Financial Report button and the button to generate all transaction records. Now, let's try to generate a financial report. Let's tick the From the Very Beginning radio button and press the Generate Financial Report button. All the transactions that fall within the chosen date range filter will be generated and displayed in a text box. And the Export this report to Notepad button will appear. You may press this button to save the report in your local hard drive. Now, let's try the Generate All Transaction Records button. All the transactions that fall within the chosen date range filter will be generated and displayed in a data grid view window. And the Export to Excel as per selected date range button will appear. You may press this button to save the report in your local hard drive. These are what can be done in Financial Report button.